How to install Xfinity Doorbell camera. What you'll need first is to access the Xfinity app. All parts in the included Getting Started kit, such as the Xfinity Video Doorbell, angled bracket, wall bracket, chime kit, wall screws, wall anchor, replacement terminal screw, masonry drill bit. Additional tools to install the doorbell would be power drill, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and hammer or mallet. So know your local laws, comply with all local regulations and applicable building codes. Pick your location, confirm that your existing doorbell works by pressing the button and listening for the chime. Also note the type of bell that your current doorbell uses. Determine how your current doorbell is powered and works safely. Follow the tool manufacturer's recommendations on best safety practices. To install the video doorbell, remove your old doorbell and disconnect its wire. Remove the metal trim plate from your Xfinity doorbell. And then determine if you should install the standard wall bracket or if you would benefit from the angled bracket and install the bracket that provides the better field of view. Determine the type of wall you will be installing the doorbell on. So for wood or vinyl, thread the doorbell wires through the hole in the center of the wall bracket. Then use a screwdriver to twist the screws through the holes in the bracket and into the wall. For plaster, stone, brick, or stucco, drill plot holes for the wall bracket. Use a power drill and 1/4-inch masonry drill bit included with your kit. Install the wall anchors. Screw your wall bracket into the wall with a screwdriver. Thread the doorbell wires through the hole in the center of the wall bracket. Then use a screwdriver to twist the screws through the holes in the bracket and into the wall. Connect the doorbell wires to your new video doorbell using a 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen the terminal screws on the back of your new doorbell and slide the doorbell wires behind the screws. Attach your doorbell to the wall bracket. Tighten the screw at the top of the wall bracket. Add the metal trim plate. Turn the power back onto your doorbell.